I got sent this multi-position exercise equipment to install and give my honest opinion. So let's take this thing out of the box, get it set up, and test it out. So this is everything that was in the box. I went ahead and pulled it out, took it out of the packaging, and then looked it over to make sure I had all the parts. But as you can see here, everything's here. It even comes with tools right here to help you install it, and you got your manual. So check out the manual before you begin. Make sure you have all your pieces, get everything set up and ready before you go to install it. Makes install a lot easier. So let's go ahead and get this installed in the garage. All right, so now I have it all put together. Went together pretty easy. I'd probably say 15 minutes is about what it took me to put this together. Instructions went through all the different steps, told you which bolts to use, so they were fine. But now I need to get a helper to hold it so I can mark where these hooks need to go on the wall and get it installed. All right, so to attach the hooks to the wall in my garage, I went and got these 3.5-inch lag bolts here. These are 3/8 size, 3.5-inch long lag bolts, and they fit just perfect inside of these holes. I'm gonna put these right into the stud. You wanna make sure you're hitting the studs if you're gonna do something like this in your garage, because if you put these straight into the sheetrock, as soon as you go to pull up on this, it's gonna pull right out of the wall. These have to go into the studs if you're gonna do it this way. Let's get it mounted. All right, so here it is hung up in the garage. This right here is high enough off the ground for all of us in the family to be able to reach up, grab the pull-up bar, do all the different pull-up bar exercises that we need, and it's high enough off the ground so if we wanted to use a punching bag or anything on these hooks right here, it would be fine. Here it is now in the other position where you can do crunches and many different exercises you want to do. So I've done pull-ups and crunch type of exercises on this so far. You can also take this thing off the wall and you can just use it on the ground as a workout machine without it even being hooked up. So there's many different exercises that you can do with this. This is a great tool to be able to use your own body to do good burning workouts. So yeah, I definitely like this. I give it 2 thumbs up. I love the fact that when you're done with it, you can just take it off the wall. As you can see, we've had other stuff mounted here. This is an area where we do mount things. We had a different, very basic pull-up bar here before. I love the fact that I don't have to leave something bulky there on the wall if I don't want to. I can just lift this thing up, pull it off the wall. There's many different things you can do on this. It's been great so far. I'm definitely looking forward to using this, and time will tell on the longevity, but everything seems to be, you know, pretty well made, and there's some good padding here. So I think this thing's gonna work out just great. All right, so I hope this review was helpful. If it was, please give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, if you would do that, that really helps us out. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all take care.